Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules at night. First, ensure your face is completely clean. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any makeup, dirt, or oils from your skin. This step is crucial for allowing the vitamin E to penetrate effectively. Next, take one vitamin E capsule, typically containing 400 international units, and carefully snip off its tip with clean scissors or pierce it with a sterilized pin. Now, you are ready for the next step in your nightly routine. Once you have extracted the oil, apply a small, pea-sized amount directly to your skin. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. Using your fingertips, gently massage the oil into your face and neck in upward, circular motions. Pay special attention to areas like under your eyes, around your mouth, or any spots with scars or hyperpigmentation. Allow the oil to absorb for about 10 to 15 minutes before lying down to prevent transfer to your pillow. Using vitamin E at night can offer several benefits for your skin. It is a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your skin cells from environmental damage. Many find it excellent for deep moisturization, especially for dry or flaky skin. It may also help improve the appearance of minor scars and fine lines over time. However, always do a patch test on a small area of skin first to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions, as some people might experience breakouts. For optimal results, consider incorporating vitamin E oil into your nightly routine 2 or 3 times a week. If you have very oily skin, you might want to use it less frequently, perhaps once a week. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Remember, consistency is key for seeing improvements. Always store your vitamin E capsules in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency and effectiveness for your skincare regimen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.